Alright, this is our last song of the day. Put your hands up. How you guys feeling today? Say it loud. Say it loud. Say it loud. When I say 2X, you say TF, 2X, 2X. When I say 2X, you say TF, 2X, 2X.
찬 옷차림 매 반전되는 심한 낯가림 야마 살짝 짖는 눈빛은 매주 위 사람들 다 지금 But I don't really care and I don't need that 이게 게임이라면 yes I'm a player and you can be my coach 보기와는 다르게 I don't play 너가 고장난 안 해 What you know about me? I am a good boy. I am a good. Woo! Y'all hear the music? Yeah. I am a good boy. Thank you all so much. We love you. We love you so much.
Give it up for Double the Fire 2XTF! That is the mark of a true professional. For them to be mic juggling the whole time and dealing with this crappy sound system, give it up. Make some noise! Alright, and also please check out their YouTube channel, support their Facebook, YouTube, all that stuff. You should do that for all the artists that you've seen here the past 2 days. Give it up for independent artists. Make some noise. Come on, guys. It's with your support, with your way of promoting and spreading and sharing, this is how it helps them. So make sure you're supporting independent music, all right, guys? Thank you.